subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Tecno has launched the successor of Tecno Spark Go 2020 smartphone in India as Tecno Spark Go 2021 with a stylish red design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the new Tecno Spark Go 2021 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by quad-core MediaTek Helio A20 chipset, paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Tecno Spark Go 2021 supports an AI-featured dual camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual-ray camera includes one 13-megapixel main camera with a 1.8 aperture along with the unspecified secondary camera. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and it includes LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that is claimed to offer up to 27 hours of calling, 21 hours of video playback, 19 hours of web browsing, and 36 days of standby time. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with iOS 6.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an Android-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.3 by 9.1mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Tecno Spark Go 2021 has been priced in India at 7,299 Indian rupees, and it will be available at an introductory price at 6,699 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 7th in Maldives Blue, Horizon Orange, and Galaxy Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Spark Go 2021 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.